given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back with another video in the kitchen again, guys. Today I'm preparing the best Jamaican curry chicken ever. Guys, it is super easy. You just want to follow step by step. So come along with me, big up on yourself, and thank you for watching. Okay guys, now I have about £1.5 pound of chicken here. Cut it up already, wash it off with vinegar and lime. Yes, so I'm going to put some seasoning on it already. I put some natural spice in there already. So I'm going to just put a little more in there. Can show you how I season it up. Yeah. See there's some little green herb I get from the spice I used a while ago. Yes, this is it. This is the chicken. And normally when you cook curry chicken, you cut up the chicken small. You know, one cut them up big. Because normally when they're Jamaica, I see my mother look about curry chicken, them always cut up small. So guys, if you cut them up big, I don't know how them are going to look, but normally they're supposed to be small. Okay? So I'm going to put some, I'm not going to catch burning pepper, so I'm going to put some pepper grain in there. Not much, because I don't want it having too much pepper, and my little girl can't eat it. So, yeah. So this is the only powder season I'm going to use. I don't use black pepper, I don't use seasoned salt, I don't use none of them seasoned. This season I've eaten everything already, and I'm not going to put no salt in it because I get the salt from this already, and it, trust me, if meat now go taste fresh, none at all. So this is the only powder season put in there. So this is my herb now. So I have thyme here, so I have green sweet pepper. I put some parsley in there, some garlic, onion, and one medium size Irish potato. I have piece of ginger. I have some carrot and some scallion. So this is all I'm going to put in there. Right, and I use one medium Irish. Back in the days when mother cooked curry chicken, I always say, for instance, she put, send you go shop, go buy a pound of chicken back and pound of chicken, right? Because you know it's chicken expensive, so when I buy a pound and use the chicken back no one back it up, yeah, you put Irish in there and the carrot, so the carrot give body and the carrot make the chicken look enough. So if you're going to buy a pound of chicken and pound of chicken back for like 6 people, because I like 6 away, and she just put the Irish in there and the carrot, and it just make it look enough. You understand? Yes, so big up on yourself guys, and see you on the next clip, okay? Yes guys, I'm here again. I'm going to put in all of these I have right here. Only the Irish I not put in there yet. The only time I can put in the Irish and when it have 20 minutes left for the chicken, for the curry chicken cook. Because I don't want the Irish mash out too much in the curry chicken. So I put in the curry last. So I put in the curry right after this. I'm going to put in the curry. Yeah. Normally you season it up. I just put it to marinate till I don't know when you want to cook it the next day, or you get up and season it up in the morning and put it down, make it marinate for, you know, in the evening when you're ready to cook it. Yeah. So I put in my curry in there now. I put on my gloves. As we can just rub it up the right way. Yeah. Now rub it up now. And this is how it looks so far. I'm going to rub it up, put the curry in there and rub it up. Yeah. Get here. So you can put it for marinate till later or tomorrow or next week. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm not put it down for marinate, and I'm going to just put on the pot on the fire and just make the pot well hot. Put a little baby tip of oil in there and then I just put it in. Okay guys, so see you in the next clip. Yes guys, here I have my pot. This on the stove for a little while now. So I'm going to pour a little baby tip of oil in there. Right, you know the reason why I put the oil in there? Because the meat I go stuck in at the bottom of the pot. But we can actually put some water. Just put some water in the container where I have the chicken, I season up the chicken into, and just put some water in the chicken. And when I put it in, I just stir it up. I don't have to put no oil in there. But I just going to do this and maybe put some water in the chicken. I don't know if you notice I don't put no tomato in there, because normally when you look about curry, you know, put tomato in a curry. Yeah. Never see my mother then put curry in the tomato in the curry yet. So what I'm going to do now, I put in the chicken in the pot, because trust me, the pot hot. See, you can't see the oil in there. So I just throw it in there. Put a little bit of water, just a little baby tip of water in there. Yeah. See, just a little bit of water. Yeah, just use my little scoop here. And just take the rest of season we leave in there. Just use a little scoop and just scrape it in the water. And just put everything in there. And just throw it in the pot. So I just cover it up. I'm not ready for stir it yet. This is how it looks so far. I'm not going there yet from the time I put in the chicken and put little water in there. Just a baby tip of water. I don't go in there. So I'm going to open it now and just stir it now. And you don't have to full it of water. Curry chicken, you look good. That's what I say? So you don't have to full it of water. Yeah. And I'll take a little more water in there now. Make it just go and cook. Just 20 minutes after. Yeah. So now I'll put in the Irish. 5 minutes time from now, I'm going to put in the Irish. Yeah. So it looks so far, so it look enough. Yeah. And this is like half an hour after. Yeah, I cook it for about 45 minutes because I could take it off before that, but I want the curry to make sure the curry cook. You understand? If the curry not cook, the curry can run your belly. So I make it cook for half of 45 minutes. So half an hour gone already. So I put in the Irish potato. And you can dice it up any how you want, dice up your Irish potato, but we dice up my one like this. You understand? Yeah. So I put it in now. And you see how enough the curry chicken look when the Irish potato simmer down in there. You see it look. Yeah.